Hi, baby. We're over here at Dairy Queen to get some ice cream. And it looks like it's a line.
It's a good day for ice cream.
Drive-through service today. Alright, as we check out the menu, I wonder what the heck a tiramisu cake is. It looks like they got cotton candy.
It's chocolate and strawberry.
Chicken and biscuits, double burgers, chicken strips.
Their chicken strips are out of this world.
Alright, well, let's share a chicken strip.
Okay.
And then we'll go for ice cream.
Okay.
I know I want a strawberry shake.
Yep.
I see your blizzards there. Yep. There's a Heath one.
Yep, that's what I want.
Sitting down there and everything.
Which one did you want? Just a strawberry?
Yeah, just give me a small strawberry shake. I'm good. Okay. But then again, I see something over there too. By the drink section, something that's green and white. I mean green and blue, right there. Do you see it right there? Bucket strawberry, banana, peanut butter.
I'd like to order a medium Heath Blizzard, a chicken strip basket. 4. What is the Misty Slush?
It's just like a slushie. We have like blue raspberry, strawberry, kiwi, cherry.
Do you want to try that?
No, give me the strawberry
then
shake.
Just a small strawberry shake and
for the 4 piece, did you want a drink with it?
Make it the small strawberry shake.
No.
And your dipping sauce?
Ranch.
Okay, and then you said you want a small strawberry shake?
Yes.
Is there whipped cream on that?
Yes.
Okay.
That's it.
$16.88.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
$16.88 for how many piece chicken strip?
4. And then I got a medium blizzard. You got the small one.
Okay. Small strawberry shake.
Yeah.
Alright, baby. We eating out here in Zephyr Hills.
Yep.
Off of 301. By the San Antonio Bank. Got Panera Bread across the street there. And you got a blizzard.
I did indeed.
And I got a milkshake.
What you wanted.
And you're just gonna let me stand here and hold this chicken and milkshake awkwardly with a camera. Cameraman got skills. Baby's just digging into her Heath. She don't care. I don't care about the cameraman no more. Who cares? That's the only thing I hate about this, is that the shakes are so thick.
Yeah.
That bitch is thick as hell.
That's why they're good.
Are they now? How's that chicken?
I have chicken. I
I hate the love bugs. Forget.
Oh yeah.
See what we got? Oh, it comes with bread, dude. Oh, that's cool. I didn't even know that. Oh, butter bread. Fries.
Yep. And if you get the drink, the lunch special, you also get a small sundae.
Damn, this would have been good with eggs this morning. This is good bread.
Good. Different.
Definitely. We haven't had Dairy Queen since we were in that other state that we bought Dairy Queen. But we did a video.
That was Alabama.
Was it Alabama?
I don't know.
Let's see if I get some. Nice sizes.
Mm-hmm.
And we got the ranch. Not everyone's ranch is the same.
Nope. Theirs is pretty good though.
Mmm. Not only is the ranch good,
That chicken's good.
this chicken almost tastes like Kentucky Fried Chicken.
You got it.
Someone here done stole the Colonel's recipe and gave it to Dairy Queen. I'm gonna say it, dude. This chicken's good.
This chicken is damn good.
Yeah. This chicken is good. The bread was good.
Mm-hmm.
Holy moly. That was good, dude. That was real good.
We got another piece of chicken in there for you.
Did you get ketchup for the French fries?
I forgot.
What? You're fired. You're fired.
I know.
And of course, over here in Florida, we just do it like that. We drive around in golf carts. That's how we do it. We don't care.
Dude, we're on Zephyr Hills.
This is the country that soon will be the city after all the houses are being built here. But yeah, oh yeah, that's good.
Zephyr Hills and Day City's turning into Little Tampa.
You're
Such an idiot.
You know, you love this idiot.
I do.
Nah, but this is good, dude. This is definitely good.
And if you take the fries,
Uh-huh.
dip it in that ranch, that's so good.
A little bit busy out here today as things are starting to get to 20% in Florida. 20%, right? Unfortunately, this place does not let people in the store, but in Lakeland, they were letting some people, like each county or each town has their own different way of coming back, but definitely you can't, as far as these people are concerned. It's only drive-through.
Can't blame them.
No. And that's the Heath one?
Mm-hmm.
Let me try it real quick. Wow, that's a lot of chunks in there, dude.
It is.
Let me try it. Oh yeah.
Caramel, toffee, chocolate. I'm good.
That's a lot of fucking candy in there. And they got a lot of strawberries in here.
Good.
That chicken is worth it. So if you're in Zephyr Hills, come on by, support your Dairy Queen Grill and Chill.
Good.
Until our next video from 301, Florida.
See y'all.
Peace.
Stay safe.